Hello, today I'm going to talk about what is the meaning of attention. So just a quick recap. In my model of stages of cognition, the first step is attention, followed by information processing. Next is memory, and final step is executive function, which differentiates human being from animals. For example, we as a human being demonstrate a very complex level of problem solving and planning skills, and also emotions which animals don't show because their executive function is not as developed as us. Now, if we can look at that stages, the bottom step is attention. Now, if we think about this lighthouse as our thinking skills house, it is, if the foundation of the lighthouse is not strong, it doesn't matter how strong this lighthouse itself is, the whole structure would not be stable. So to have a strong structure, we need strong foundation. Because the attention is the bottom basic of our thinking skills, if attention is not strong, the rest of the thinking skills doesn't work quite efficiently. So if you have had a stroke or a brain injury, if your attention is altered compared to pre-injury level, you would notice that the whole thinking process might not work as efficiently. Now, the other word for attention can be focus. That is the generic term. So when we focus, the first thing is the first type of attention is focused attention, where we are just focusing on something. For example, if you are listening, watching TV, and there's somebody making a noise outside the building, you can still cut off that extra noise and focus on watching the TV. So first part is focused attention. Once we have been able to focus, the next part comes sustained attention. So we have been focusing, that's fine, but we have to sustain it. After a brain injury, people's attention span might be only 30 seconds. So if they're trying to watch a TV program, they watch the 30 seconds and they can't sustain their attention, so they can't get the information into the memory, and they cannot follow a full 30 minutes program, and which can be quite frustrating experience. So, but sometimes people can focus and sustain the attention for a duration. The next level comes to attention is alternating. So basically means where we start switching the attention from one task to next, and then we can still go back and attend the first task and switch between. We can alternate between 2 or 3 or different multiple tasking. It is multitasking. Females are good at that. And the final type of attention is divided attention. Now, divided attention, the theory was that we can divide our attention at the same time on two things. But the latest research is indicating that actually divided attention might be a series of very rapidly alternating attention. We cannot divide our attention. We can shift our attention very quickly between two things, and it might look like that we are focusing on two things at the same time, but actually we are only focusing on one thing. So they are the 4 stages of attention. Depending on at which type of attention is impaired, your therapist might develop a treatment program that will address your challenges with a view to improve that level of attention. So please speak to your therapist and they would be able to give you more information. So this is just a basic foundation. I hope this video makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. I wish you all the best.